Car radios provide entertainment, navigation updates, hands-free communication, and enhance overall driving experience and comfort. Today's video is about top 5 best CB radios for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Cobra Cars Radios. The Cobra 75 all-road CB radio is a versatile and modern communication tool designed for drivers who need reliable connectivity on the go. With dual-mode AM/FM channels, it offers wider communication access, delivering clearer sound quality for both long-range and nearby conversations. Its built-in Bluetooth connectivity is a standout feature, allowing seamless pairing with wireless headsets or optional accessories for hands-free use. The modular two-piece design adds flexibility, letting you mount the transceiver anywhere in your vehicle for a clean, customized setup, perfect for off-roaders, truckers, or professional drivers. Equipped with digital noise cancellation (DSP), it ensures crystal-clear communication even in noisy environments, making it ideal for construction or delivery coordination. Power options via USB or 12V add convenience, while the IP66 waterproof rating guarantees durability in harsh weather conditions. Overall, this CB radio combines advanced technology, flexibility, and rugged reliability, making it an excellent choice for clear, dependable communication in any driving scenario. Now our second product is Cobra Cars Radios. The Cobra Classic CB radio continues to live up to its long-standing reputation for durability and reliable performance. With 4 watts of power and access to all 40 CB channels, it provides consistent communication for both professional drivers and everyday users. The addition of dual-mode AM/FM enhances flexibility, allowing clearer sound and better connectivity with a wider range of users, whether nearby or at a distance. Its ergonomic design and intuitive controls make operation simple, while the 9-foot microphone cable offers convenient reach without unnecessary clutter. A key feature is instant access to Channel 9. Ensuring reliable emergency communication without relying on cellular or satellite networks. The built-in SWR antenna calibration helps maintain optimal performance, while the adjustable RF gain reduces background noise and static for clearer signals. Overall, this CB radio combines classic reliability with modern features, making it a dependable choice for clear, efficient communication on the road in any situation. Our third product is President Cars Radios. The President Thomas CB Radio Kit is a complete, heavy-duty communication solution built for demanding environments. With a 5-year warranty, it offers long-term reliability and peace of mind, making it a solid investment for professionals. This kit includes the President Thomas 12/24V AM/FM CB radio and the magnetic mount Virginia F antenna, providing a hassle-free, ready-to-use setup. It delivers strong signal transmission and clear reception, ensuring dependable communication across job sites, trucking routes, or heavy equipment operations. The compact design features a vibrant 7-color LCD and user-friendly controls, making it easy to operate even in busy work conditions. The durable magnetic antenna adds flexibility and maintains reliable range in various weather and terrain conditions. Built specifically for harsh environments like construction and mining, this CB radio kit is rugged and dependable. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those who need clear, consistent communication and a complete, easy-to-install CB solution for heavy-duty use. Now number 4, Retevis Cars Radios. The MB1 Professional CB Radio Kit is a feature-rich and reliable communication tool designed for serious drivers. Equipped with advanced functions like ASQ, SQ, RF gain, noise blanker, and HI cut, it effectively reduces background noise and delivers clear, high-quality audio for efficient communication on the road. Its dual AM/FM mode adds flexibility. FM provides clearer sound with less interference, while AM offers longer range, ideal for long-distance drivers needing updates on road conditions. This makes it a valuable companion for highway travel, helping users stay informed about traffic, hazards, and emergencies. Compact and easy to install, the radio fits well in most vehicles, including trucks and RVs. The included magnetic antenna with a 5-meter cable ensures quick setup and reliable signal reception. The 7-color adjustable backlight enhances visibility in different lighting conditions, adding to user convenience. Overall, the MB1 CB radio kit combines professional-grade features, ease of use, and dependable performance, making it an excellent choice for safer and more connected driving. And our last choice is President Cars Radios. The CB radio delivers a solid combination of performance, reliability, and user-friendly features. With access to 40 AM/FM channels, it ensures seamless communication for both short and long-range use. Its transmission specs, including 4W carrier power and minimal interference, provide clear and stable signals, while the excellent reception sensitivity guarantees strong performance even in weaker signal areas. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to install and handle, fitting comfortably in most vehicles. The package includes everything needed for setup, such as an electret microphone, mounting hardware, and a fused power cord, making installation straightforward. The LED display, scan function, emergency channels, and timeout timer add convenience and safety, while the key beep enhances usability. Operating at 13.8 V, it's well suited for everyday driving or professional use, with a standard 2-year warranty, extendable to 5 years with a compatible antenna. This CB radio offers great value. Overall, it's a dependable and efficient communication tool for drivers seeking clarity, durability, and ease of use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.